Hi, good morning guys. Today is actually July 3, 2026 and today is Friday. And the reason why I'm creating this vlog is because we only have like 182 days left, okay, before 2026 and then nasa stage ako wherein, ano may mga bagay-bagay na na-accomplish ko or mga goals ko na gusto ko pa ihabol na kumbaga, gusto ko pang mahabol na ma-accomplish. So, by the way, kung wala pa po kayo na-accomplish, guys, don't be pressure because me, myself, marami din akong sinet na goal this year. Pero, meron naman ako na-accomplish somehow. Um, somehow, okay pa, may na-accomplish man tayo. And then, at meron pa tayong i-accomplish. So, actually guys, in this notebook, okay, nabinigay ng ate ko, nag-select ako ng, actually, kasi yung pinaka major thing na gusto kong ma-accomplish talaga this year is to pay off my debt. Yung mga utang ko gusto ko talagang ma-pay off yan this year. Hindi man lahat, but at least makapag-settle ako ng at least 5 to 10 loans na meron ako sa ngayon. So, sige, sa totoo lang, pag may utang ka, kahit you have a chance to, meron kang chance na taguan, somehow nape-pressure ka or somehow nawawala yung peace of mind mo. Sa totoo lang. And then, totoo yung sinasabi sa Bible na if kung meron kang utang, parang slave ka. So, hindi ka man literally slave na parang completely alipin ka. Pero yung tipong wala kang peace of mind, yung tipong pasahod pa lang, alam mong wala na. So, nakakaloka yun. So, yun. So, yun yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto ko talaga ma-accomplish this year. And, by the way, just to give you a heads up, isa sa mga na-accomplish ko pala last month or last June 26 is that na-pay off ko na yung loan ko or yung salary advance ko doon sa company namin. By the way, wala naman pong interest yun na pinapautang sa amin ng company. Bali, dinideduct lang po siya sa amin every payout or every sahod namin. So, nabayaran ko yun. So, worth 15,000 yun. And then, payable in 10 months. So, every cut-off, dinideduct na nila ako ng 750 pesos. So, thank you Lord dahil na-pay off ko na yun. And, this month of July, ang gusto ko naman pong ma-accomplish is o ma-pay off is yung isa sa microfinancing ko, and I'm planning to offset that that loan kasi may savings ako sa kanila and I'm planning to offset use my savings doon sa bank na yon to pay off yung loan ko. And my goal is to pay it off on July 27. So, yun yung isa sa mga goal ko. And then, next month, August 26, will be my last payment ng aming HMO. Kasi every cut-off, guys, ang bigat-bigat niya. Kinakaltasan ako ng 3,125. Yun po. So, by the way, guys, ito lang mga sabi ko sa inyo as my motivation. Kung meron kayong utang, hindi yun nagdi-define na masama kayong tao. So, not unless yung utang na ginamit mo pang drugs, 'di ba? Pero kung alam mo naman guys na ginamit mo yun sa pamilya mo o sa mga urgent needs ninyo, I think for me, hindi yun ikaka-define ng pagkatao mo. So, by the way, yun lang ang prayer ko na sana ma-accomplish ko yung 1, 2, 3, 4 Kasi meron pa akong car loan ngayon, hindi pala car loan, motorcycle loan na babayaran ko, and hopefully ma-pay off ko na siya. Kasi parang 10 months or 9 months left na lang, ma-pay off ko na siya. And then I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you guys. And then I can say that if you are, kasi right now I'm already 36 and I'm rebuilding myself. At naniniwala ako na may pag-asa pa. And by the way guys, isi-share ko pala dyan sa aking comment section or sa aking video description yung yung lagi kong pinoprocrastinate or lagi kong declaration 3 times a day guys. Sabi dito, God is rebuking the devourer for my sake. Every force stealing my finances, resources, and opportunities shall live my life. I break every cycle of poverty and lack. I am wise steward over everything God has entrusted to me. My finance are multiplying. My family will be known for ownership, not struggle. My family shall be known for excellent stewardship. I will leave an inheritance and not debt. The works of my hands are blessed, and doors of favor are opening for me. Yun. Yun yung lagi kong declaration. Every day, 3 times a day, and I always pray to God kung ano man yung mga maling decision ko financially. Help me, bigyan niya ako ng katatagan ng puso para ma-accomplish ko lahat ng bagay na yun. So guys, I'm praying for you. Makakawala tayo sa utang. Bigay nyo lang yung, kung medyo nawawala na yung peace of mind ninyo, i-lift nyo lang yan kay God, or kung sino man yung God ninyo, i-lift nyo lang, pag-pray nyo lang yan guys. And then, as much as possible, stop na natin yung maging utang, maging debt-free na tayo, or less na natin, kundi man natin ma-zero, at least magkaroon tayo ng action plan to at least lower o mabawasan natin yung utang natin or malasan natin yung mga tapal-tapal system. Kasi I've been there at I'm still on the process of paying my loans pa. So yun. So again guys, all I can say is that forgive yourself for the years you spent lost. Okay? May mga pagkakataon pa tayo. Okay? May mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin or panahon natin para to bounce back. Okay? By the way, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe na po kayo. And then, next week, I will open, or maybe later on, mag-open ako ng series all about debt-free journey ko. Personally, i-disclose ko kung magkano nga ba ang aking utang na gusto kong ma-pay off this year. Hindi man lahat, again, mag-set muna kayo ng goal, mga at least 5 to 10 na utang nyo na gusto nyo na gusto natin masettle. I-disclose ko sa inyo yan bukas or later on kung ano yung top 5 to 10 ko na utang na gusto ko masettle this year. Thank you guys. And then, again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. And then, adya lang tayo guys ha. Kakayanin natin to. Have a great day.